at Kansali for the public meeting. What do you have to say about it?
Yes. I have come here for this public meeting because I had groups of people. More importantly, I had groups of youth coming to my office and asking me, what are you doing? What are you doing about the destruction that's going to take place? And for me, being an elected representative, a representative of the people, I felt that it was my bounden duty to be with the people. Now, as I said, I also have faith in my government, and I'm sure better sense will prevail and the right decisions will be taken and the 3 projects will be scrapped, because these 3 projects are destructive. These 3 projects cannot be contained in dot-sized Goa. Goa is too small to carry these projects. It's okay. Maybe the bigger states can contain these projects and yet there will be no negative impact, but not in Goa. As we were sitting here, we saw the train, not saw, but we heard the train, the loud hooting, and it was as if just the way this vehicle has just moved, it looked as if the train was as close. What will be the life of the people living in the houses along the present track if the second track comes? So we have to think of our people. And in this context, I say that I think very highly of the government of Karnataka, who are very prone to taking the right decisions as far as their state is concerned. They are not ready to, jeopardize flora and fauna of their wildlife sanctuary, and they are going to take decisions. It is reliably learned that they are going to take decisions that will protect the wildlife, and I think our government will also do the same.
Ma'am, we got to know that some of the activists who on Chandor who were opposing that this thing, doubling of track, has been offence has been registered against that. What do you have to say about that?
I think that there should be no offence registered against anybody. I think it is the moral duty of every Goan to fight to protect Goa's environment, Goa's heritage, Goa's biodiversity. So there is no question of filing cases against anybody. Okay? People are going berserk, obviously, because everybody loves their land. I love Goa. When I was hearing that young girl talk, I was sobbing. And why was I sobbing? Because I was thinking of my young days, how I loved my environment, how I climbed the trees, jumped from one tree to the other. I was quite tomboyish in my young days. Will our children be able to do this? And especially those living along the first track? And let me tell you, I think the government has to realize this. In most cases along the southwestern railway route alignment, the first track has been laid on an elevated ground, okay? And that's why if you see now, you'll find that the houses are on either side at a lower level. Now, when we are going to lay the second track, what will happen? Can you lay one track down and one track above? No. So the ground will have to be raised again. You're going to bring a wall against these houses. What kind of life are these people going to live? It cannot be done. And there is no need to double the track if it is for connectivity, because the present track is underused at the moment and it is sufficient.
See, आमकां जेन्ना गोंयकारांक सगळ्या गोंयकारांक एक इशू आतां कोल सगळ्या गोंयकारांक नाका, सगळ्या गोंयकारांनी फूल गोंयभर आवाज केला. ह्या मिटिंगेंतल्यान आमी क्लियर सिग्नल धाडला, आमकां कोल नाका, आमकां डबल ट्रॅकिंग नाका, आमकां मोले 3 लिनियर प्रोजेक्ट्स नाका, आमकां मादयचें डायवर्जन नाका. हें जेन्ना गोंयकारांक आमकां एमपीटीन आमची 56 किलोमिटर्स कोस्टलायन मेळ्ळी नाका, हें जेन्ना आमी युनायटेडली सगळे गोंयकार सांगता, irrespective of your caste, religion, whatever, the government should hear us, the government should hear the voice of the people, of Goans, because they are our government. Our government should look into the interest of us, not of the central government. We are not interested what Adani wants or Jindal wants. We are interested in what they should be interested in what we want. We Goans, आमकां आमची natural heritage आसा, आमची historical heritage houses, we do not want it to be destroyed. Okay? Now the whole of Goa, the youth have come together and everyone has come together to oppose this. We don't want Goa to be blackened, we want a green Goa. The blackening of Goa through coal amka laga, we will oppose this till our last. We will continue with our movement and we will stop this coal mole projects and this double tracking of railway.